Today I am going to show you how to express one number as a percentage of another. So the formula for this one is percentage is equal to part over whole multiplied by 100. For example, we have 20 is what percent of 80. So for this, we just divide 20 on 80 and multiply it on 100. So first of all, we write the formula. Formula we have percentage is equal to part over whole multiplied by 100. So now we have 20 over 80. P is equal to 20 over 80 multiplied by 100. So 20 divided by 80, we have 0.25 multiplied by 100. So that is equal to 25%. That is our answer. So for sake of practice, we take another example. 75 is what percent of 150? So for this, we have 75 divided by 150 times by 100. So it is equal to 0.5 times 100. So it is equal to 50%. So this is our answer. So now we take another example. 30 is what percent of 60? So we have 30 over 60 multiplied by 100. It is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 100. That is equal to 50%.